Demystifying Dress Down, a closer look. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're diving into the world of English idioms and phrases. One such phrase is dress down. Have you heard of it? If you're wondering what it means and how to use it, you're in the right place. When we think of the words dress and down, we might picture someone wearing casual or simple clothes. And that's part of the truth. In a literal sense, to dress down means to wear clothes that are more casual than what's expected or required for a certain occasion. Example, it's Friday, and employees are allowed to dress down, meaning they can wear jeans and t-shirts instead of formal attire. But like many phrases in the English language, dress down also has a figurative meaning. When someone says they were dressed down by someone, they don't mean they were helped into casual clothes. Instead, it means to reprimand or scold someone, often in a severe manner. Example, after arriving late 3 times this week, Jake was dressed down by his manager in front of the whole team. Now that we know what dress down means, let's see it in action. 1. Literal usage. 2. Our office has a dress down day every last Friday of the month. 3. Even though it's a gala event, Jane prefers to dress down and keep things simple. 4. Figurative usage. 5. Samantha was dressed down by the teacher for not doing her assignment. 6. The coach dressed the team down after their poor performance during the match. And that's a wrap on dress down. Whether you're talking about casual clothes or a stern talking to, this phrase has got you covered. We hope this video cleared things up for you. Keep exploring the beauty of the English language, and we'll catch you in the next lesson.